Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying captions so the list can build correctly. Open references, scan each figure and make sure captions use the exact label figure and contain descriptive text. Inconsistent labels break automated lists. Once done, correct typos and remove manual numbering inside captions because Word will handle numbers. Save a working copy or turn on version history to revert if needed. This prevents later problems and ensures the cross-reference fields point to properly tagged items. Next, refresh Word's fields so numbering and the list reflect the corrected captions. Select the entire document and press F9 to update fields. This forces captions, cross-references, and your table of figures to refresh. If numbers still misalign, toggle field codes with Alt plus F9 to inspect SEQ fields. You can manually fix or delete stray SEQ entries causing jumps. Then insert or reinsert the table of figures from references, choosing the correct label and formats so Word regenerates the list automatically. Finish by resolving any remaining mismatches and securing the list. If a caption still shows incorrect numbering, delete that caption field and reinsert it so Word creates a fresh SEQ entry. Then update fields again. Make sure in-text references use cross-reference rather than manual typing to stay synchronized. If things still go wrong, toggle field codes, Alt plus F9, to spot hidden issues, save and restart Word. Then update fields or rebuild the table of figures. A restart often clears cached field corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.